Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 29th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles I've showed you earlier today. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these regular puzzles. News of the day, well, the Paralympics is started, yes. Alright, this one will be number 9175. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. It's indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe it's a 0 stars or a 1 star. 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 0 stars, need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Question is it a 0 stars, a 1 star, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Do we have more? No, don't believe this. Don't believe that, yes. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now, but let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 2. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, we have a triple box here. And these 2 boxes can be a 3. So only 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. So the 1 and 2 are left. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me see quadra boxes. No quadra. Oh, here we have a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. Well, let me draw this shape. This one. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. It can be a 1. We already have a 1 here. So it should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. More T shapes. Yeah, here, another one. Oh, I overlooked this one, the first one. Well, let me continue first. The T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright, this one, the first one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, overlooked. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Let me see. Well, this box can be 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 3, we have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4 is connected with that box. So 2 and a 4, but we have a double 2 there. So I cannot place the 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now. So this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and a 3. Then. Let me see. Well, yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Here 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, and the 4 we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this W area shape should be there. I think this box should be no. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and the 4. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These 3 boxes for 1 and 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on, this is taking too long. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So the 3 in this area could be here. Could be there. Well. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Need a 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Then. Let me see. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Okay. Interesting. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. Can be 3 anymore. This box, oh wait, I need a 5 here. Yeah. Come on. This is taking too long. Two. Well, this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. This box can also not be a 1 or a 2 there. So 2 boxes left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. No, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Yeah, I think this box should be a... No. Need to wait for the 3. Well. 1. I think this box should be a 1. Because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. But also can be a 5. Because if I place a 1 here, then that box should be also a 1. And it cannot be a 5. Yeah. So this box cannot be a 5. Same for here. So it should be a 1. Here also. 1 and 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and 3, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright, now. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, well, we have a double 4 there, so I cannot place the 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 that's left in this quadra box should be a 3. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. We go up. I think this box, wait. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. Should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. Mark this box with 2 or 4. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 0 stars. We solved again, and I like this one, so I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again in the evening. Until then, bye-bye for now.